my name is Sabina. I welcome you all. Today I'm going to show you one more great Chinese recipe. I'm going to show you chicken Szechuan fried rice. This recipe is liked by most of us, especially kids. So why not to give it a try and make it at home and serve it to your family. So let's see the list of things required for chicken Szechuan fried rice. For this recipe I have taken 1 cup of cooked and chilled long grain fragrant basmati rice, half cup of boneless chicken which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. You can see I have cut them into small pieces. Half cup of spring onion again chopped. Quarter cup of spring onion bulbs. I am not using other onion. I have just chopped this. I am using this. Half cup of chopped bell pepper, green bell pepper. 2 tablespoons of chopped carrot. I am using less of vegetables because I am adding chicken in this. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. 2 onions. 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili paste, 1.5 to 2 teaspoon of soy sauce. First I am going to marinate this chicken with all the sauces. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce, some soy sauce, maybe 1 teaspoon, red chili sauce, black pepper powder, and also some salt I'm going to add at this time. Give it a mix. If you don't want it spicy, you can just reduce the quantity of all sauce, the red chili and the Szechuan sauce. Mix it nicely and just let it sit for 15 minutes before we start frying the chicken. I'm going to beat this egg by adding some pepper and salt. I'm going to fry this egg. Beat this well. Added 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. I'm going to fry this egg on one side, then I'm going to scramble it. Add this and just wait for some time until it starts frying. Now when it's done slightly on one side, you can scramble this egg with the help of a fork. You can just break it. Frying this way will give a nice taste to your fried rice. Now you can scramble the egg. Just break it into pieces like this. Fried scrambled eggs are ready. Now let's move ahead and start making the fried rice. First we have to fry the marinated chicken. So I have used a wok. I'm not using a non-stick pan for this fried rice recipe. And I added around 2 tablespoons of oil. And when the oil is hot, I'm going to drop in the chicken pieces. We have to fry the chicken pieces. Drop it slowly. Fry this chicken for 6 to 7 minutes or until they are done. You don't have to add water in this. They are fried nicely with oil. So allow it to fry for some time. This chicken looks done. I've been frying them for 5 minutes and I'm going to take them off. So it doesn't take much time. Boneless chicken cooks very fast. Take it on a plate. In the same oil, I am going to add the chopped garlic, saute them, ginger, saute nicely. Now add the veggies, spring onion bulbs. Make sure your heat is on high because we have to saute all the veggies. Bell pepper, chopped carrot. You can use different colors of bell pepper if you want, and you can also add some French beans, nicely saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. The veggies are sauteed nicely for a couple of minutes. They are nice and crunchy. And now I'm going to add the sauce. Szechuan sauce. You can add less, as I told you, if you want less spicy. And I'm not adding any salt at this time because all these sauces have a good amount of salt in it. Chili sauce. Mix it nicely. Next goes soy sauce. And add some pepper powder if you want. Also, once you mix them nicely, I'm going to add half of the spring onions. Half I'll keep it for garnishing. Mix it once. Now add the fried scrambled egg. Let everything get nicely mixed with the sauce. Add chicken also at this time. Fried chicken. Mix everything nicely. Now it's time to add the cooked rice. We'll check for salt later once we're done mixing the rice. We can reduce the flame at this time. Let it mix nicely, then we can increase the flame. I mixed everything nicely. I also checked for the salt. I'll add little more. And it's not very spicy, it's medium spicy. So add some pepper powder. Mix one more time nicely. Transfer this prepared chicken Szechuan fried rice in a bowl, and now I'm going to garnish with the spring onions. So our chicken Szechuan fried rice is ready. Have it and enjoy. Delicious chicken Szechuan fried rice to your family and enjoy. I hope you will definitely like this recipe. It's very easy and definitely it's very delicious. Don't forget to share your comments and your opinions. I'll see you soon in my next recipe. Till then, take care.